Yo, what up, guys? 2018 Chevy Silverado LT. I swapped out my tires, but as you guys know, 33 12 and a half by 20. I want to, or had to, install our leveling kit by MotoFab. The tires were rubbing, so this is where we're at. We already took off the tires. We already did the driver's side. We had to go ahead and lift the strut. Took a little bit of work, but Rams figured it out. And that's where we're at. Right now we're at the passenger side. I want to get this done and looking forward to it.
As you can see here, Senor got me working hard. But he no paid lunch, me hungry.
Carlos?
Hay KFC, Chinese, he codo, as you say in Spanish.
Codo?
He don't give me food. How does he want power with no food? He give me.
Hey, let's go.
Give me iced coffee. Give me chorro, you know.
Ping pong.
What do you need?
I don't know. That would do this.
I'm so sorry.
All right, ready?
Go.
Ready?
Go.
Hey, easy, huh?
No.
I need power. See, I need power.
That won't not even use.
He give me vitamin water. Don't give me power. I need a Bud Light or Corona, something.
I don't think we're gonna need to. You know what? Let's just listen. Man. All right, y'all. So we added this 2-inch spacer right here to this bad boy strut right here. Tying them bolts. We're basically good to go.
Man, they look dandy there.
So, all we did was add this piece here.
Which piece?
This one.
Goddamn, Billy, goddamn, Lottie.
Literally, guys, it's 1.25 inches. That's actually the measurement, but it is not a 1-to-1 ratio, and I found that out the hard way. All you're doing is adding those two.
Oh,
bolts.
yeah.
So when you guys get it out of the box, don't be, oh no, it's not 2 inches.
Need a... Go. Let's go.
Give me the goddamn camera.
All right, y'all. So we just finished both sides. Just put the blocks in. Both sides. See how them wheels look. Should level it out nice. Some blocks in. Oh, how do I get this thing to... There you go, autofocus. Throw the tires back on. This thing pops. Taking a break, like always.
Go, start it on.
What y'all doing?
You know, just finished editing the oil change for that F-150.
That's gas.
So we can go get the lining done. Come on.
You're trying to hype us up. Let's go.
We gotta get the lining done.
Trying to hype us up to go get it done.
Oh, real. Come on.
Let's go.
Yeah, let's go. And I still gotta go sell my tires.
All right, let's go. Let's get this on.
What up, guys? Just wanted to give you guys an update. Looks like the truck is a wrap. We went ahead and blacked out the front. Did the 2-inch leveling kit from MotoFab. We added our tires, as I said, 33 by 12 and a half by 20. These are some fuel wheels. Pretty legit. I'm really happy, pretty stoked how it turned out. Relatively cheap. Probably next projects here is going to be the running boards and the actual towing mirrors. But overall, check it out. It looks pretty clean. I'm pretty happy. I'm stoked. I finally got my truck done. So let's go.